So if you clicked on today's video, you're either 1, a Roblox player, 2, a Roblox UGC creator, or 3, you're just bored. Maybe you're all 3, maybe you're not. I don't care. What I do care about is that Roblox just released the worst update in the history of the site. Roblox just released public UGCs to the entire site, meaning that anybody can now upload their own accessories. We are Alright, that was a little bit of a lie. Not anybody can upload. You do need to meet some requirements. Let's see what it says here. Now, creators who are ID verified, have Roblox Premium 1000 or 2200, and consistently follow our community standards and marketplace policies can upload, publish, and sell in marketplace. Okay, so you have to be ID verified. You have to actually have identification connected to your account. You also need to have Premium, which this is, you know, I guess you have to have Premium for everything now. And then you have to have your account in good standing. So, I mean, not too many requirements you need to meet. What I don't get is that the UGC marketplace on Roblox was already a dumpster fire. Why did Roblox think, oh, let's just open it up to everyone, even though the people we manually approved made it terrible? Like, look at these shades. They're I mean, blatant copies of the meta shades. I mean, they're not even trying to hide it. But anywho, there's going to be a lot of items that are now being flooded into the marketplace. So you guys have to know how to be able to take advantage of this new opportunity. I'm gonna try my best to give you guys some advice on how to approach this new update, because there is a lot of Robux to be made with this. I mean, it's not as much as it used to be. Like, UGC used to be a very small limited thing, and the people that had access to it made a lot of Robux, but there's still Robux to be made. So let's get started on what you should be striving to make. This is not what you should be doing with UGC Access. I don't think I've seen a worse use of UGC Access ever in my entire time on Roblox. Yeah, so this is not what you should be doing. You should not be uploading a ton of different reskins of just head meshes, squares, circles, whatever it is. Actually take your time to learn a 3D modeling software. Blender is, you know, what everyone uses, and get decent at making models. Now, let's say you have familiarized yourself with Blender, you've learned all there is to learn about it, you know how to make models, make what you want. How do you upload these to Roblox? How do you get them on the platform for people to buy? Alright, so we're in a brand new studio, but now how do you get your asset onto the Roblox platform? Well, I'm glad that you asked that. Let me go ahead and explain it to you. You're gonna need 2 plugins to make this happen. You're gonna need this asset creator plugin, and then you're gonna need a UGC thumbnail plugin. Both of these will be linked in the description, so go get them in the description. Next thing you're gonna need is an NPC to position your UGC on. So if we go to avatar, rig builder, R15, and then block avatar, we now have an NPC that we will be able to position our UGC on. Let's go ahead and insert a mesh part into the workspace. This will be what we dude, I can't find the words. This will be our UGC, okay? Now we need to upload the mesh to Roblox, or upload it to this part. So in properties, there should be a little value called mesh ID with this folder icon. We're gonna click on that, and you'll have to find your OBJ file for your mesh. This one is mine. Make sure you click no, because we don't want it to move all over the place, so just click no on that. And then it should load in the mesh. Mine's already textured, but sometimes you'll need to get the decal ID of the texture and upload it, but mine's already in there. Now I want to position the hat where I want it on the character, so we want it right on the character's head. We'll position it over a little bit. Maybe I want to put the studs a little bit down as well. Move that thing down. All right, I think that's pretty good for an example. Let's go ahead and open that asset creator tool I linked in the description. We're going to open it. We're going to click accessory, click the part that you want to become an accessory. We're going to click the mesh part. We're going to then click the character, and then it is a hat, so we'll click next on that. Intended character type, classic, and then all fields are complete. When you're ready, click next. All right, and when you click done on that, it should generate a little bit above the character. So this is your hat. You can rename it. We'll just rename it to Pilgrim Hat. Last thing we need to do before we can upload it is make the thumbnail for it. So we're going to click on the accessory, go to plugins, go to UGC thumbnail tool, position how we want it to look. That looks pretty good. And then we're going to click the blue accept button. And now we are ready. Once you have completed all the steps of creating the accessory, we are now ready to upload it. We're gonna right click on the hat. We're gonna click save to Roblox. Now pay attention here. This is very important, very important. You see content type, you don't click development item, you click avatar item. And then you could put some tags. We'll put pilgrim. Is that not even, okay, that's not even you're not even allowed to do that. Hat, okay. Stylish. This is a hat. And then when you finish doing whatever you want here, right, writing the description, putting the tags, you can then submit for 750 Robux. Will I be submitting this hat? No, I'm not gonna submit that. But this is another reason you should make sure that you're uploading quality assets and that you're actually proud of the thing that you make. You have to spend almost $10 uploading it. So make sure it's something that you are proud of. Make sure it's something that you want to upload. Don't just upload garbage brain rot to the marketplace. We don't need any more of that. By the way, once you upload it to Roblox and it gets approved, it will show up under your creations under avatar items. You'll see it here. Once you see it here, you can configure it, make the description, you can change anything you want, put it on sale, make it a limited, whatever you want, you could do. Now, last question I want to answer before the video ends. Is making UGCs on Roblox profitable? No. Yes? I don't know. It depends how you look at it. UGCs on Roblox used to be a lot better in terms of making Robux because it was a limited amount of people that had access to it. It already was pretty competitive before because of how many people had access to UGC, but now that Roblox is opening it up to the public, it is going to be so extremely hard to get your UGCs out there. That's why you need to learn how to promote your assets, start posting on Twitter, stuff you're making, stuff like that. You need to learn how to advertise yourself. If you're able to successfully advertise yourself and what you're making, you'll definitely be one step ahead of your competition that isn't doing that and is just uploading assets in hopes that some of them sell. One thing I recommend though is don't even look at UGC limiteds. They are such a waste of time and money. With this update, with the public UGC update, they also raise the cost per stock on UGC limiteds, on free UGC limiteds, and also paid limiteds. They reduced the amount of stock you can have to only 3,000. It is a complete waste of time. They pretty much killed UGC limiteds entirely, so don't even think about doing that. Actually, you could think about doing that, but just know you're gonna waste your money. So things to take away from this video: just know there is a cost to upload your UGCs to Roblox. So to make money, you have to spend money. That goes for a lot of things in the world. There are requirements. You need identity verification on your account. You need to have premium, so you have to spend more money. Think about this for a second. You have to spend money to upload the UGC, and then you also have to spend money to get premium, and you need to be a good standing, citizen within the Roblox community. Roblox doesn't want any criminals uploading UGCs to their site. So you decide whether you think this update was a positive or a negative for the community. Do the pros outweigh the cons, or do the cons outweigh the pros? Let me know what you think in the comments of this update. Chase your dreams, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.